My name is Cedric Bellon. I'm a watch designer. I'm working for watch brands since 2005 and I'm preparing a personal project about sustainable watchmaking. I collaborate with the brands which trust me, considering and taking care of their wishes and problematics, technical and marketing guidelines to create and develop watch designs, which concerns mainly what is visible on a watch, case, dial, hands and bracelets. I think life in all its forms deserves our reverence. What drives me today is my gut feeling. When I feel good today and filled by good energy for me, I think I know I'm on good tracks. At the age of 27, I opened and read the watch magazine, and I immediately fall in love with watches. I was fascinated with this world of finishes, materials, with shapes. At that time, I had the opportunity to stop everything for several months. Then I took advantage of it to spend time to learn more about watchmaking and design concept watches that I sent to brands, which mainly didn't even insert. But I was hooked by watch design, and it was really a pleasure to work, because I was in love with the topic. I worked even more and insisted a lot until some brands gave me a chance, which were Bellon, Tag Heuer and Longines. But if I rewind a bit more, I remember that my first horological fascination at the age of 8 was this Cartier golden pocket watch, owned by my great-grandfather. When I was a kid, I was able to open the case back to admire the ultra-thin manual winding movement. And what is incredible, the watch is over a century old, but it still needs only a few turns to restart. So nice. The project started first 15 years ago. I sent to a friend who was working in the watch industry not a design but a text about a sustainable produced watch. At that time, the Swiss watch industry, and generally speaking, the fashion, the luxury groups, didn't care about environmental issues. So we didn't find first a way to develop it. In 2019, he called me back to offer me the opportunity to restart the project. That's what I did immediately. And the experience I acquired during my freelance designer career made more sense to realize and develop this personal project. The project is focused on the environmental impact of the watchmaking industry. Throughout my career as an independent, I lengthily questioned myself on this topic. How can we avoid, eliminate, or at least decrease the chemical footprint as well as energy consumption involved in the process of producing watches components? After a while, things became clearer. I sorted different points to discuss with the suppliers and manufacturers. Basically, the answer is a mechanical tool watch, locally produced in Switzerland with less processes and more sustainable processes, made out of recycled or repurposed components, recyclable or neutral materials, technically designed to age well, to be reliable, affordable, and to be repairable, which is very important, even within decades. The watch is for people who share my approach, my vision, and who cares about environmental issues. The watch is made to age well, is made to be used. It's a watch for life, it's a watch for our whole life. If the project finds its audience, I I'd love to push further the sustainable principles that drive the project and challenge even more the watch industry to eventually apply this vision to other fields and other topics.